My name is Leroy, migrated from Jamaica 1980. A lot of people go to Jamaica for a vacation. I leave Jamaica, I come here for an opportunity. This is a land of opportunity. It's here, so let's get it. One thing I can say, heating and air conditioning is something that I enjoy. I just love what I do. It's something that I would even do for free. At the end of the day, it really feels good to know that you helped somebody and somebody now is very happy. There is nothing more rewarding than walking up to a door, looking at a customer, is like, see their face and after you walk out and leave that customer smiling. At a very young age, working with my hands was one of the best things. I had to do something with my hands. And from there, it brought me into the trade and I really enjoy it. At age 16, I went to a training center. This was back in Jamaica. I did 1 year of training and from there, migrated to Canada in 1980. And I decided to expand and just continue getting all my certification so I could be a good part of the society and work in the trade. A lot of parents try to tell children that you need to go to university, you need to become a doctor, a lawyer, and I can tell you that's not the only thing. For a young person, I would encourage this trade. It gives you a good living. You can work with a company, you can do your own business, you can go industrial, commercial, and it's just a wide area. So there's opportunity everywhere. I started my own business in 2011 and I'll never look back. It allows me to take more time with my family. It's something that I build so that my son can take it to another level. And at this time, he's also prepared to join me. So as you see, this could be something endless. It gives me a really good feeling to know that I achieved this for not just me, but for my family.